Hi Purple Belts, welcome to this video tutorial on your high level kick. We are doing push kick variations. So I have Master Lee that will be demonstrating the push kick, and then I'll have some other instructors demonstrate some variations of the push kick. The first thing that you have to keep in mind when you're doing the push kick is that even though it's called a push kick, I still want you to think of it as a strike, not as a slow push. So you need to bring your knee and your foot up together, chambered, and from here, instead of just pushing, I really want you to think you're striking, as if you're punching with your foot. So let's watch Master Lee do a couple on the targets. All right, wonderful kick, Master Lee. I'll invite some of our other instructors on to show you a variation of the push kick. When you're doing your rear leg, we call that a push kick. When you do it with your front leg, we call that a cut kick. So watch Master Lee do his cut kick on the target.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Wonderful, thank you. And finally, I want to show you the application of these push kicks and cut kicks when you do it in live sparring. So we'll have Master Kim come on video. So imagine Master Kim and I are fighting, we're sparring. If Master Kim just wants to get some distance on me, he can do the push kick or the cut kick to push me back.
Yeah! Yeah!
This is also a great kick if Master Kim thinks I'm going to do a back kick. So he's going to counter my back kick with either a push kick or a cut kick.
Yeah!
One more time.
Yeah!
Okay, so I hope that's helpful for you while you're practicing at home. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask the instructors in class.